Hi, in this tutorial video, we'll explore embedding and what that looks like for your Schoology courses. So embed is a code that a lot of websites will have a way to share out either a web link or an embed code, which you can link the website or the actual web activity right within your Schoology course. So embed codes kind of look like what you see here highlighted in blue. It's a bunch of HTML coding for websites. The good thing is you don't have to write that embed code. All you have to do is copy it and we paste it in Schoology. And the really cool thing, it lives there. So let me just show you an example of a difference between just linking a website and embedding an activity in Schoology. So this is what a website would look like if you have it linked in Schoology. The students would click on the link and the website would pop open for them to read the website or to complete the activity on the website itself. How a link like that is created in Schoology is on the website itself. A lot of times you can just copy the web address that's at the top, or you might look for this symbol right here. It's usually an arrow pointing to the right, or this three dots connected is your universal symbol for share. And a lot of times you can click that share button and it will have the web link for you to copy. Now in Schoology, to share out that link, all you have to do is click Add Materials, click Add File or Link, click the link button right here, and you can paste in your website URL. And a lot of times you can click these green arrows right here and they'll put the title in. Sometimes that doesn't always work and you'll have to type a title. And then I recommend that you turn off display in Schoology. That will make the link just pop open in a new window when the students click on it and you click add. So as you probably learned throughout your Schoology tutorials, almost any material here has a way to add a link within it. The assessments, the discussions, even the assignments. So definitely looking for those opportunities to enhance those activities with adding links. Well, that's what a web link is. So let's look at what an embed would do different for you in the Schoology course. So let's say I want to embed this activity in my Schoology course. I'm looking for a share button. Here I found it. They're in different locations and different websites, and not everything has a share or an embed code. But if you can find it, it's a really neat tool that you can use. So I'll click embed right here, this button, and then it's going to let me copy this code right up here. So I will highlight and then copy the code that I see. Then in my Schoology course, how I can add it is click Add Materials, click Add Page, put my title. Then you're going to want to click these two round dots right here. It's called the Switch to HTML. And in this window, you're going to right click and paste that embed code. One of the biggest things is that you can click Display a New Page icon here at the bottom and click Create. And then this will live right here within your Schoology course, which is pretty neat for that activity. Again, you can put these embed codes in different areas in Schoology. So add materials, pretty much any place that will allow you to put a website link, you can add that embed code as well. So you'll see a lot of times it will say enter URL or website address or embed code. So you can do that. A lot of times this button won't work. You have to give it a title and then just click add. And then this is what it would look like if you're doing it just a link. Students would click on it and then the activity would pop up. So a couple different ways through adding a link or adding a page.